everyone, and welcome to Unity Shorts. In this video I'm going to be making this cube rotate like this. Just like that. And so here I've got material, scene, and the script. And the script right now is empty, but we're going to change that. First we want to make a public float. And it's going to be the spin speed. Alright, and it's going to be set to a default of 10, just by default. And then in the update we're going to make a little script, transform. This is accessing the transform component on the cube over here. Transform dot rotate, make sure that is capitalized. Rotate, capitalization is important. And then we're going to write vector 3 because we're working in 3D dot forward times spin speed, and then times time dot delta time, and then we'll just put a semicolon at the end. And this tells Unity that this script here is finished. And so let's go over this. Transform accesses the transform of the object, and then it goes to dot rotate, and then vector 3, because we're in Unity, vector 3 dot forward, that's like a direction, and then it multiplies that by our spin speed, so it's telling how far or how fast we want to spin, and then times time dot delta time, that's just our time. That's just the time frame. And that should be it. And forgive me, I'm not actually entirely sure if that'll go the right way, but I guess we are about to see. And nope, it doesn't rotate at all. And that is because we haven't added it to the object. So we grab this rotate script, add it onto an object, and now we can watch it rotate. See, it's rotating very slowly, and usually the rotation is very slow, and I want it to go the other way, so I'm going to do a negative 100, and now it should go pretty fast. Alright, there we go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.